Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about wishlist. In Odoo website, a wishlist is a feature that allows the customers to create personalized collections of the product that they are interested in. But it's not necessary to ready to purchase immediately. And it's like a digital bookmark for product that they can refer to later. So let's see how does wishlist work in Odoo 18 website. For that, first we just need to configure this feature from the configuration settings. So we can just move on to the configuration settings. From there, we just need to enable the feature which is wish list. So this allows the signed in users to save the product in the wish list. So here the customers can add the product to their wish list by clicking on a heart icon or the wish list button on the product page. So let's move on to the site and choose home page over here. So as we just choose the home page here, we can find the shop. Now let's move on to the shop. So here you can see the heart symbol, or you can also find a button called add to wish list. So if a customer wish to add this item into their cart, they can just go with this button. So let's click on add to wish list, and here you can see the item is just added to the wish list. Now the customers can view and manage the wish list from their account page. So as we just move on to here, you can see the customers can view and manage that, and the customers can add the item to the cart by keeping them in the wish list itself. So as I just enable add product to my cart but keep it in my wish list, you can see by clicking on add to cart, the item will be adding to the cart without removing. Instead of removing that, it will keep a product in the wish list itself. So now the customers can easily purchase the item from the cart. So let's move on to the cart, and you can see we can just go with the further process. Okay, so the main benefits of using this wish list is that this helps them to remember the product they like, as well as make it easier to compare the product. Also provides a convenient way to share their interest with others. So let's buy this product by going with the checkout process. So we just need to make the payment. For that, you can just go with pay with demo and choose pay over here. And here you can see we have just made the payment. And here, if you want to view the item that in the wish list, you can also find that. So that's how we just manage with the wish list in Odoo 18 website. And overall, the best list, wish list feature is a valuable tool for enhancing the shopping experiences on your Odoo website, and it helps the customers to organize their shopping interest and makes it easier for a business to understand and cater to their needs. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.